Yeah, all right. Hey, lesson 18 here, people. Listen, we're sticking with our ratios here and setting up and solving. So let's dive right into it here. At Funburger, the Burger Master can make hamburgers at a rate of 4 burgers. Okay, remember, 4 burgers, that slash per minute. So, yeah, I mean, let's get things labeled there. We've got the burgers, the 1 minute. All right. In order to address the heavy volume of customers, he needs to continue at this rate for 30 minutes straight. 30 minutes. So, okay, let's keep the minutes with the minutes. And yeah, we're ready to go. Let's multiply by 30. Let's multiply by 30. We got 120 burgers we're making. Okay. It's that fast. It's that quick. It's that painless. Keep things matched up. Ratios. Now, the other side to it is you might also realize, well, come on, why not just 4 burgers a minute, 30 minutes? Can I just do 4 times 30 to get my 120? And I say to you, yes. Yes, you can. All right? So do keep that in mind. That whole slash, that per minute, that's really going to speed things up. Let's see what happens in this question. We got Chandra here. She's an editor of the New York Gazette. Her job is to read each article before it's printed in the newspaper. If Chandra can read 10 words a second, how many words can she read in 60 seconds? Like I said, people, if you're like, can I, please? I say to you, yes. At the same time, some of you aren't seeing that, and that's okay. So fine, 10 words, 1 second, 60 seconds. So you can see, yeah, we got to multiply by 60. We're still going to get our 600 words. Box in that answer. So again, because it's per minute, we can just multiply here. To train for a triathlon or marathon, I think I said triathlon because it's problem 3. I think I had that in my head there. All right, a marathon, Michelle runs 8 miles per day. If Michelle runs a total of 240 miles, how many days did she train for? Now, okay, be careful because we just can't go multiplication crazy here. Don't just grab the 8 and multiply it times the 240. All right, because of what they're telling us, 8 miles a day, all right, and she's running 200. It's not 8 miles a day for 240 straight days. Then we'd be multiplying that's there. So this is where I say to you, for some of you, yeah, don't just stick with the labeling that's there. All right? So now we can see we need to do some division. What do you multiply the 8 by to get to 240? Well, take off the 0. Just think of 24. 8 times 3 is 24. Bring that 0 back. So we're multiplying by 30. So 1 times 30 gives me 30. So that would be her 30 days. So listen, it's all individual here. That miles per day, the something per day, you just got to realize that they got to be talking about days to do a straight multiplication. I'm not a big fan of just doing the straight multiplication because I make mistakes that way. So if you're chicken, I don't know where I was going with that. Hey people, find out what you like. I like to write it out there. I like the label. I don't want to make that mistake, but that's just me. But yes, if you've been thinking, can I just multiply? Go right ahead. All right, people, we're out of here. That's it for today. I know, that's it.